enhance your employability, the abbreviation being EYE. This is a course to advance your English and personal skills. It is being conducted under the aegis of B-Ghud, based in Mavelikara. My name is Abraham VARGHESE. I was educated in Lawrence School, Lovedale, in Ooty. I then went to do my BA in English Literature at Madras Christian College. Thereafter, I went to the UK, did my LLB honours at University College, Cardiff University in the UK, and did my Barrish Law at the Middle Temple, London. And after several years of practice, I retired, and I'm now keen to promote the understanding of the language and the quality by which we are judged, and we are required to correspond if your intention is to use the English language as the medium of your conversation or discussion or writing and reading. It is a practical form of teaching and a learning experience in English. It is important to understand that English is not a substitute for either the national language or our mother tongue. It should not take priority over matters within any Indian context. At best, it is one of many props to promote our empowerment and meet the possible expectations in our working lives. It should be no more, unless one wants to maintain a subordinate status quo vis-a-vis native English-speaking countries. Learning English properly allows one to avoid being subjugated and taken for granted, and in some cases demeaned and insulted. It also adds value to your abilities, and like learning any language, it opens a spectrum of choices and the opportunity to develop the mind and access new worlds. This can put you on par with those who you need to interact with. It is also likely to enhance your social standing. This training is meant for those who have completed their degree, who are semi-professionals and professionals. And I expect to have a class of no more than 30, preferably between 20 and 30. And the course will be run for 2 months, 2 days a week, at 3 hours per day. Details of which are available through the telephone numbers that I shall provide you later. The purpose is for individual and collective empowerment. Write, read, and speak English to a higher standard. The sharing of opinions, preferences, experiences, and relevant issues to advance one's scope and knowledge in the language. Towards this purpose, I have worked out 19 points which I expect to cover with you all in the course of these 2 months. One is personal attention. The second is rapid reading and proper pronunciation. The third is development in writing skills. The fourth is interacting conversation. The fifth is effective speaking. The sixth is civic responsibility and conduct. The seventh is interview preparation. The eighth is meeting deadlines. 9, organizational skills. 10. CV, or as some may call it, resume. 11. Developing a higher and progressive sense of thinking. Variety of conversation subjects, class participation, sharing knowledge in group discussions, developing reading habits, presentation skills, social manners, dress sense, and your rights as an individual. If you are interested, please contact B-Ghud on 9497786999 or 7736973420. If you wish, you could also contact a lady by the name of Reshma, whose telephone number is 8592974705. She communicates in English and mainly Malayalam. If you want to speak in English directly, then you can use the WhatsApp number, which is 9895905002. I trust that what I have said is enough to introduce you to the idea, and I hope on your part you will find some interest in pursuing this course, which will certainly take you to a higher level of competence in the English language. Namaste. Dhanyavad.